Okay, so here we go. German Knockwurst Sandwich. Oh my goodness, they are so good. So we need about 4 tablespoons of softened butter and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I already have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. Spread on both sides of the cut pretzel rolls. And don't be stingy. I'm going to pop these into the preheated 350 degree oven for probably about 10 minutes. Next, we're going to make the homemade Thousand Islands dressing. So for that, we need about a half a cup of mayonnaise. This is more like 3/4 of a cup. 2 tablespoons roughly of sweet relish. Add a couple tablespoons of ketchup. And we're also going to add some horseradish mustard for that nice tangy bite. And now it's time to prepare the knockwurst. And we're going to need 4 sausages because each sandwich gets 1 knockwurst that has been cut in half. Okay, here are the garlic pretzel rolls. I just took them out of the oven. They smell delish. And that's the sound you want to hear. You want to hear them sizzle. All right, it's been a couple minutes, so let's give them a check, see how they look. Yep, that's just what we want. Nice and golden brown. So there they are on the second side. We'll give them a few minutes there, and then it's time to, oh, they're squeaking and dancing. Whoa, that's kind of fun. And then it's time to assemble the sandwich. Place 1 slice of Muenster cheese on the bottom of each roll, buttered garlic pretzel rolls. What I also did before you got here was I drained a can of sauerkraut, and I'm going to put a pretty good size bit of sauerkraut on top of each knockwurst sausage. Let's not forget about that homemade Thousand Islands dressing that we made. Go ahead and add that. This recipe has been very popular on my blog, Kudos Kitchen by Renee, since I first added it. Oh, I don't even know. It's been at least 7 or more years. And then to that, we top each of these sandwiches yet again, and I'm going to do it on a diagonal from how the original slice of cheese was placed. We're going to pop these back into the oven and let the cheese melt, and then we're going to top it with the other bun. Okay, there you go, you guys. The only thing left to do is put the top on the sandwich. Oh, wow. That looks so good. I can't wait. Ready? It's going to be hot, so I hope it's not too hot. I'm going to take one for the team, you guys. Ooh, it's drippy too, so ready, set. That crunch is everything. I'll make sure to leave the link to the recipe within the video and also in the description box. So you're going to want it. Yum. It's time to eat. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a delicious day. Bye.